Hi John, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So as you see, I'm on your home page, and you want to make sure you have a lot of content on your homepage, because Google loves content and you need at least 1500 or even more words with the keywords and the pictures saved in the right way. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if you come here, we can see Google Guaranteed, and then we can see ads here that we used to see already. And a lot of people now in 2020 have ad blockers, so they don't even see this. So it's a 50-50. Some people can see, some not. And then here we have a map pack. So the what is citation? Citation is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. You might ask yourself, what is directory and how do I get in those? It's basically, to put it simply, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this here on the map, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as you see, Yelp and expertise here, the home advisor. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. And the way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had linked to you, and in link you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I see, you have 191 referring domains. That gives you 454 backlinks, and you're getting found for 89 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 85 people on average to your site each month. So let's just go to one of your competitors here and see they have 713 referring domains that give them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found from more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in that. And so that's pretty much it, what I want to say for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be awesome. And thanks again, and have a wonderful day.